Are you a fan of old school Rockford Fosgate amplifiers? Especially the 90s versions, we call them the DSMs, the waffle grills, the George Foreman grills. Well, these have become very popular once again due to the age, the nostalgia, the early 90s, people redoing systems from their youth. But there's a problem. A lot of them are missing the end caps. And yes, you know what I mean. Try to go search for end caps on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, wherever you want to look. These things can be not only ridiculously expensive, they're very hard to find the exact one that you need. So in my case, I needed one for the Power 500M. Well, good to know our friends over at Old School Car Audio Restorations have been around for a while, doing all kind of cool stuff. Mainly started off doing shrouds for the late 80s and early 90s Rockford Fosgate Power Series amplifiers. They've moved on to other projects, but there's so many cool shrouds that they've done over the years. I'm showing you some custom ones here, the white with the red letters. And here are some ones that look very factory, kind of whatever you want they will do. Now the guy behind this is Michael Schultz, and yes, he's a Rockford Fosgate fanatic, and we asked him about it. Mike, what is it that you do for a living?
I just play with Fosgates.
And it's true, at one time I thought I was an extreme Rockford fanatic. Turns out this guy is even more so than me, offering all kind of products, including the bass knobs for the Punch HD series, and he even does complete restorations of amplifiers. And here recently he's decided to offer 1985 to 2000 amplifiers from Rockford Fosgate completely refurbished. He's got so many of them over the years, he's literally going to offer these up for sale. He's got a very cool catalog here. I'm going to flip through some of the pages. I'll leave a link below to this catalog if you guys are interested in picking up some of this old gear that looks brand new. It comes with a warranty and everything. Pretty cool that he's doing this, and I'm sure some of you guys are going to be all about it. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked there talking about all the cool Rockford Fosgate old school stuff. We're talking about the end caps today, and actually the links, which we're going to show here. Mike sent me over some end caps. We're going to talk about those. Yes, he offers the DSM end caps for the 93 to 94 models. These are the Punch DSM, the I and the IX series, and as well as the links, which we'll show that here in a little bit. What I want to do first is take an original Rockford Fosgate end cap and take the one that Mike sent me and kind of compare them. Now, he spent a lot of time and a lot of effort to make these. These are cast. These are not 3D printed. They are made out of aluminum. Now, the one thing that you will notice is the one that he sends are quite a bit more beefy than the ones Rockford originally made. The original ones Rockford made were about 345 grams or 12.2 ounces. The ones Old School Car Audio Restoration makes are 710 grams or about 25 ounces, so more than twice the weight, but they look exactly the same. Now, he also redoes the emblems as well. In this case, I got a Rockford Fosgate emblem and a Punch 500M power emblem, because these are super hard to find, and these look literally exactly like the originals. I don't think you'd be able to tell the difference. I think many people don't realize the work and effort it takes to recreate some things like this. I mean, there's a lot of people over the years that have tried to do this and 3D printing and some other ways, and they look pretty good from a distance, but when you compare what we have here to the originals, it is mind-blowing how close he got these to the originals without having the original molds or anything. So there's a lot of work that went into these, and so I think you guys will really like them because they're pretty crazy. Now, he also does the logos for 93 to 96. We'll show all the different ones here they currently have available, more possibly coming in the future. I'll take the end caps with the recently placed logos on there, and we'll take a look at it and see, and there you have it. My 500M is complete. Looks very sweet. The amp is a little bit scratched up. Yes, that could stand to be refinished, and Old School Car Audio Restorations does offer that service as well. In this case, I'm probably just going to leave it a little beat up, or I might refinish it myself. But yeah, these amps are pretty impressive these days. These go for a lot of money. So having your amp refurbished, having it recapped, having it reworked on is probably not a bad thing to do if you have one of these, because they're worth some money. Now, in addition to the end caps, there's another thing that they're offering, which is really cool. that is the links. Now, back in the day, these links were really cheap. They were only like $29 or $39. But now when you find them on eBay, they're like $250 or more for the links. And what these allow you to do is take your amplifier and make it look like one long amplifier. It's really cool. So again, we have an original, and also we have the one from Old School Car Audio Restoration. We're going to do some comparisons here. First off, by looking at him, you can't tell. He does have his emblem stamped into the bottom of the Old School Car Audio Restoration one. The Rockford one in this case didn't have any kind of logo stamped on the bottom. Now the original Rockford Fosgate one, 605 grams or 21.3 ounces. And once again, the Old School Car Audio Restoration version is heavier, more than twice as heavy, 1,420 grams or 50 ounces. Now, if you want to go the custom route and have like a polished one, they do those as well. You'll have to check with them to find out what the price is. Again, I sent all these back to Mike. I just kind of wanted to show them to you guys, to show them what they were offering. And the polished one here is stamped OSCAR for Old School Car Audio Restoration. And also the stamp is in the black one. And the finish of these, the black finish at least, matches the amplifiers perfectly. So there's a lot of work and effort that went into that. If you have an amp that's polished, the polished link would look really cool. Or I bet they offer the service where they'll polish your amp for you. If you want to do that, you can contact them to find out. I don't have any polished DSM amps, but I think they will look pretty slick, especially in an old school system. You guys that have the classic 90s cars and want to kind of rebuild your error correct system, check out Old School Car Audio Restoration. And thanks to Mike for sending me some of these things to check out. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. More old school content coming your way. Till next time, this Big D. I'm out of here.